Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkConnector for managing your affiliate storefront, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.linkkonnector.com and press enter. Once the LinkConnector homepage loads, locate the login button. The login button is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button to navigate to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you would like to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once all fields are filled, click the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your LinkConnector dashboard. In the case of an incorrect email or password, an error message will appear. If you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, explore the various features for managing your affiliate storefront. Review your earnings, affiliates, and statistics from the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the tools and options available for optimizing your storefront. Regularly check for updates and new features to maximize your affiliate success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.